Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Guiding Digitally. I hope everyone is doing really well during this pandemic situation. In the last video we have studied about how to do the square of any digit number, and in this today's video we'll learn about how to do some square of some special numbers, like any number with ending with 5 and any number nearest to the 10 to the power n, like 10 square, like near to the 100,000 or something like that. So we'll learn all these things. So today's video will be all about some special number square of. Okay, so first of all, please forgive me about my handwriting because it's very tough to use this touch pen in this particular platform. So anyway, we'll start with first case is any number ending with digit 5. Now what does this mean? Like the number 45, okay, 65, 75, 25. So in these particular cases, how to do the square of these numbers? So let us take a generalized form, like it will be a square of, okay, so the first digit will be a and the last digit is 5. Now what will be the value of the square of this number? We can directly find out the square of this number, that is the first digit a into the next digit of that particular, the first digit, that is a plus 1, and like in the duplex form what we have did, this square. So it will be like a square plus a will be in the left hand side and it will be 25. So we all know that these two. So for an example, we'll take for we all know the square of 25, so we'll do the square of 25. And according to the rule, how could we find? There is the first digit 2 into 2 plus 1, done, and this will be the 5 square. Obviously in this case we have 25, and this case 2 into 3, that is, okay, so it will be 6 to 5. Once again I'll tell you the generalized form, like if the number is a 5 square, so it will be a into a plus 1, and on this side it will be, so it will be a square plus a on the left side, and on the right side this 25 will be come directly, so it will be like a square plus a 25. Okay, so this is the generalized formula. Now we'll do another example with a 3-digit number, like we'll do the square of 1 to 5. Now what will be the answer? The answer is 12 into 13, and in this case 25, right? So it will be 12 into 13 means 156, and this 25 comes to directly. So this will be our answer. Another, if we take another example, like 19.5, okay, so it will be like 19 into 20, it will be 380, and in this case 25, so we'll get the result 380 25. Okay, so this is our answer. So we'll use this case in case if we find the end digit will be the 5. So this is a special case 1. Now coming to the second case. What is our second case? The second case is, it will be any number which is nearest to the number 10 to the power n. Like for an example, like 10 square, that is 100, 1000, etc. So how will we do this one? So the generalized formula, it will be like number will be 10 to the power n plus minus x, and that's square, which will be equal to 10 to the power n, direct value will come, plus minus 2x on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it will be directly come with x square. Now thus this value of x square, it will be depends on the value of n. Okay, so the value of x square, or the digit of x square, will depend on the value of n. Now how n? Like if the value is suppose 2, so if n equal to 2, then what will happen? So if the last digit and x equal to say 3, so the x square will be what? 3 square, but we'll write it is 9 actually, but we'll write it as 09. Why? To make this value of a 2 digit. Like if x is suppose 8 and n is suppose 4, so obviously x square value is 8 square, it will be 64, but the number of digit will be 4, so we'll write this as 0064. Okay, so finally the generalized formula will be this one. 10 to the power n directly comes plus minus 2x, and in this side x square. So we'll take some example, like say 96 square. We need to find the value of 96 square. So how could I write this value of 96? It will be like 100 minus 4 square. So this will be like 10 square, na? So it will be like, according to the formula, 10 square will directly come 2 into this x, that is 2 into 4 this side, and here 4 square. N is 2, so it will directly become 16, and this will be 92, right? So the final answer will be 9216. Okay, so this is our final answer. We'll take another example of like 106 square. So what we'll do, again 100 plus 6 whole square. So this 100 will come, 100 plus 2 into x, that is 12, and in this square 36 will directly come. So it will be like 11236. So this will be our answer. So these are two special case. So in this way we'll do the square of the special case of numbers. So thank you for watching this video, and we'll come out with in the next video like how to do the square root of any number. So stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel for more new techniques for the competitive examinations, or to learn these things, the basic Vedic maths. Thank you very much for watching this video.